bmxpeople220 here, and this is my bike check. Start out from the top, we got Vans Colt grips, look like a bottom of Vans. And then we got some S&M Perfect 10s, love them, I like them a lot, with the animal stem, forgot what model it was. And then a Can Creek headset, I think it's over here where it says Can Creek. Yeah, Can Creek headset. Then we got a Miracle Lexstar 2010 model integrated 20.75. Then we got a Miracle fork, black, I like it. And we got a Black Label bench peg, it's chopped shorter. Then we got an Odyssey tan wall, all terrain tread, it's nice. We got a Black Label black and gold wheel with a gold valve cap, so it matches. Then we got a Shadow seat post conspiracy, it's nice, with a premium seat, don't know what model, but it's comfy. Then we got some Black Label crank arms in red with Odyssey twist PCs in orange, I like them. Then we got a Shadow Conspiracy skull sprocket, a little bit of Skull's teeth. Then we got a nickel chain, it's nice. Then we got another bench peg in Black Label. Then we got Odyssey tan wall, like the front one, but this is just street. And then same back wheel, Black Label, with the gold valve caps again in black and gold. And that's my bike check.